Trying to practice Japanese, English, etc. with native speakers? Connect with family abroad, or just use OmeTV in banned countries like the UAE? Today, I'll show you how to change your OmeTV country while keeping your chats 100% private and secure. Let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about the top reasons for changing country on OmeTV. Number 1. Bypass government bans. Some countries, like the UAE and Pakistan, block access to OmeTV due to morality laws. Using a VPN masks your real location, allowing you to bypass these restrictions effortlessly. Number 2. Meet people worldwide. Change your IP address to countries like Japan, Brazil, or Germany to chat with locals. Pick up new slang and immerse yourself in their culture. Number 3. Stop IP bans. Since OmeTV doesn't require users to log in, bans are enforced by blocking your IP address. A VPN provides you with a new IP, letting you reconnect without hassle. Number 4. Privacy protection. Public Wi-Fi networks can spy on your OmeTV conversations. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, ensuring your chats remain private and secure. Now, let's show you how to change country on OmeTV in one click. Click the link in the description to get UFO VPN app on your device. Launch UFO VPN and go to your profile. Turn on the kill switch mode to ensure your connection stays secure even if the VPN disconnects. Next, select a server from the location menu. In this video, we choose a Japan server. Now, let's check if your IP address is switched to Japan. After checking, open the OmeTV app and start chatting. Finally, let me explain why UFO VPN is your best choice. First, top-notch security and privacy. UFO VPN ensures your safety with a strict no-logs policy and end-to-end encryption, keeping your data completely private. Second, global coverage. Access over 2,000 servers across 50 countries, giving you the freedom to connect from virtually anywhere in the world. Last but not least, blazing fast speeds. Enjoy optimized VPN proxy servers with a built-in speed test feature, ensuring the fastest and most reliable connection for all users. Ready to explore OmeTV worldwide? Grab UFO VPN below. Drop a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.